Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Consider the two rational number 5 by 7 and 3 by 5. Take the LCM of 5 and 7. The LCM is 35. 5 by 7 becomes 25 by 35, while 3 by 5 becomes 21 by 35. Make the fraction in ascending order, 21 to 25. Put the fractions between the 3 by 5 and 5 by 7 in ascending order. So, the 22 by 35, 23 by 35, 24 by 35 are rational numbers between the 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. We can also change the 3 by 7 to 210 by 350 and 5 by 7 to 250 by 350. We place the infinite value between this rational number. Thus, we can say that two rational numbers have infinite value of the rational number.